What are you doing, Shoaf?
Here, sir, look at all my tools.
You got all my
Don't stroke, eh?
What?
I knew I might break down.
What? You like, you got 2 of my good batteries in there.
Yep.
Like,
I got 2 guns.
I tell you what, children, the best 3 minutes of your life.
I had to take a sensor out of your parts truck.
You got my tools? Are you gonna give them back to me after you put that thing in there or what?
Depends if I make it home.
I tell you
Hard
what.
to say if you don't know for sure.
Anybody want to adopt a child? Okay, what are we doing? We're sitting here, close enough in Walmart parking lot.
Oh, or winners.
Or
Hey,
winners.
Sock check.
It's a good thing we're not loose to.
Sock check. Yeah. Because we need brake clean or something.
Guess we could be parked next to losers.
Probably want to down there.
This truck has barely got any rust on it. She's fresher than a daisy. We're about here. We're in the parking lot here. Gonna take and do us here a cam timing swap. Why? I have no idea. The only nice thing about it is he won't be able to put any cigarette butts on my shop floor. What do you think about that?
Yeah. I quit smoking today.
You said you quit smoking yesterday.
Fell off the wagon, buddy. Legs hurt today. Check out this nice Milwaukee kit I got from my dad.
You didn't get it from your dad. You stole it off the top of my toolbox. Okay, what are you doing on this piece of
So what's happening right now is it's throwing a...
What code?
It's a cam position sensor code. So I'm going to try and change the cam position sensor over the used one that I stole from the camera guy here.
Children.
Why do they only give you and...
I don't know, but I'm not real excited about you taking all my batteries. All your freeloading friends come over and take all my you know? Went through about 8 batteries last year. And not because they broke down. Well, come on, let's hear it. Where's you got to get it to get this thing at?
Oh, it's way under the truck. I got to pull the computer up the side of the motor. It's like I actually prepared to break down.
And you got my dog bone creeper.
And the flashlight.
Look at this on the floor. Hey?
Looks like I can get. Yeah.
Where's it at?
It's way up here.
See that red wire?
Yeah.
That's a starter wire. If you ever want to steal this truck, just ground that wire out.
It's power.
You can have this fine piece of automotive technology. Hey? Hey, exactly. What are you going to secure the inner fender to on this truck?
I was going to put fender flares on it.
Yeah. You getting it?
I think so.
What are you taking off down there?
I'm taking the computer off the side of the motor. I gotta take the computer off the side. Because where the sensor is, can't get to it.
I'd like to send a shout out to Milwaukee. Can you please send me some more batteries? Everybody keeps stealing them. How many more you got left to do underneath there? 2. Well, get them out.
That one.
God, that's a nice toolbox. I had one just like it.
It's actually so nice. You should have used it for acting.
You're such a prick. You know the nice thing about this is?
Look how nice this parking lot is to work on.
What's that?
You wanna know how long Check this out. My very first video. Come here. Come here.
What are you doing?
And where are we? You got that, right?
I can only imagine that you've done to my truck over the years. I hate to even ask.
You realize how it's the same parking lot, right?
It is the same parking lot.
It was the day they just paved it. The night.
Okay.
Sneaky.
Get this thing changed.
Oh, look at this. Look at this. For the people that don't know.
Is there a fuse on it, Rowan?
No, I soaked in penetrating oil and worked the motor back and forth because I noticed the motor's torquing the rod up. So with my expertise,
Expertise, all right. If anybody's missing a power seat out of your Dodge, you know where it is. Anything parked in my driveway with Dodge, it'll be missing parts. Glad I'm a Ford guy.
Nice it is to be working on these things the last like 3 years. And then actually own one now. And just have got to know what for free. This Milwaukee stuff sure is good.
You're a kisser.
You know, so you can put a wrench on the sockets too?
Just get taking it off. You got that off?
Yeah. Hey guys, so what I'm doing is I'm trying to get that sensor out, but this computer was bolted here, giving it not enough room to get out. I'm sure there's a better way to get it out, but for right now, we ain't too smart, so. I didn't feel this was gonna happen. I stole a can of lube for your shop. Oh, you thought I said this was gonna happen, like I was gonna fight with it. But I knew I was gonna fight with it, that's why I stole a lot.
So I can't wait for you to come over next week again when I got new supplies.
You know what I'm doing here is I gotta lube the plug up.
What's happening underneath there?
Just about there.
Get it out?
No, I just fight with the plug, of course. Nice. Yeah. Yeah.
Quit swearing. Hey, speaking about things, Shoaf. Hey,
Yeah.
Shoaf.
Yes, Dad. Yes, Dad.
Hear about the guy that was running around the house and he had a cat problem. The cat keep following him all around the problem. Cat was following him all around the house, and finally figured he was going to lock it in the broom closet. So he kicked the cat in the broom closet, slammed the door, cut the cat's tail off. You know what he was going to do?
Why?
He was going to bring the cat to Walmart.
Why?
Well, there's a major retailer store.
Hey, how come the Easter Bunny hides all its eggs?
Why?
Doesn't want to know anyone's f***ing a chicken.
Are you getting her done under there or what?
Yeah, 1 sec, Dad.
Come on. People are waiting. We're in the Walmart parking lot here.
There she is, guys.
You got her out? You get the new one put in there?
Huh?
In the box and down the chute?
In the box down the chute.
Not falling asleep on that sleeper?
No.
Sleeper? That's what
The
it's called,
nightlight
eh?
just
The
came
creeper
on.
is called a sleeper.
Creeper sleeper.
Creeper sleeper.
Yeah, sleeper creeper.
Anyways, guys, it's a good father and son bonding moment.